Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 23, we're going to be focusing on unscrambling sentences. You will unscramble words to form meaningful sentences. Your task is to arrange the words in the correct order to create grammatically accurate sentences. This exercise reinforces understanding of sentence structure and improves writing and critical thinking skills. Okay, let's read the directions. We are going to look at the scrambled words. Think about the correct sentence structure. So the example shows the order as book, the, on, table, is, the. If we read this sentence as it is, book, the, on, table, is, the, well, it simply makes no sense. But when you change the order, the sentence now makes sense. The book is on the table. This activity and others like this are important for beginners because it demonstrates your mastery of the sentence structure as it pertains to parts of speech and all of the elements that make a good sentence. Now, let's look at number 1, and let's do this one together. It says, running is the dog fast. First, we need to determine the subject. There is only one noun, dog. Then we need to determine the verb or action, which is running. If we simply take these two, the subject plus verb, dog and running, it makes it easier to structure the sentence. The article the precedes dog, and we need to capitalize it since it is the first word in the sentence. So we have the dog. The helping verb is precedes running, so we piece those together, is running. We can put these two together. The dog is running. And we place the adverb fast at the end to describe the verb running. Don't forget to punctuate at the end, too. Our reassembled sentence reads, the dog is running fast. Number 2. The second scrambled sentence is, blue sky, the, is, today. Pause the video now and see if you can do this. We'll come back and go over the steps together when you are finished. Again, like in number 1, we have to determine the noun, which in this case is sky. Then we identify the verb, is. And there is an adjective that describes sky, which is blue. We capitalize the to start the sentence. The sky is blue. Then we end the sentence identifying when the sky is blue, today, and add a punctuation at the end. So our completed unscrambled sentence should say, the sky is blue today. Did you get it right? Good. Now pause the video and do numbers 3 through 15 on your own. When you are finished, I will reveal the answers so you can check to see if you got them correct. Number 3 should read, I am going to my school. If this is what you wrote, you are correct. For number 4, here is the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
The answer is, she likes to eat pizza. Number 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
The answer is, the cat is under the bed. Number 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
The answer is, The flowers in the garden are beautiful. Number 7.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, he has a red car. Number 8.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, they are playing soccer in the park. Number 9.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, I am eating a delicious apple. Number 10.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, she lives in a very big house. Number 11.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, I go to school in the morning. Number 12.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, the dog runs after the cat. Number 13.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, do you play basketball with your friends? Number 14.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, John lives near the beach. Number 15.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The answer is, I like to eat pizza with my family. Awesome. Well, how did you do? If you think you need more practice, you could always go back and try this exercise again. If you think I should create more practices like this, let me know in the comments section of this video. Well, you've come a long way since we started this writing journey. You should feel proud of your progress. Be sure to like and share this video and visit our website at iwtle.com for updates and articles related to language learning. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, keep working on your writing skills.